3 weeks ago we replaced 2 of the brood frames out of the brood box as they were quite old and dirty and they needed replacing. So this is us placing them in the super box and in the roof, and then this is today. I'm taking the entrance reducer off because it's very hot now, so we don't need that anymore. And then this is the frame from 3 weeks ago. All of the eggs are hatched out now except for these 2 little ones, so it is safe to take out of the hive. And then this is the one from the super. All of the eggs are hatched out here as well, and the bees have actually already started filling it with honey. So this one can get taken out of the hive now because there's no more brood left to hatch out of this. It's quite heavy. You can see here while we're replacing it, the wood is so old that it's started to decay. So today we're going to be taking out 2 more frames and repeating the process until we've replaced all of the frames in the brood box. So that's what we're doing here. We're taking out these 2 frames, and then we're going to push all of the frames into the middle and then put the new frames on the outside. This is the new frame we put in 3 weeks ago. You can see the bees have almost already filled it with that beautiful new white yellow wax. So putting the empty frame in, and then this is the other frame that we put in 3 weeks ago. It is completely full. The bees worked really hard to fill this one in 3 weeks, and it's already got a bit of honey in it, which is exciting. So hopefully in 3 weeks time, this is what the 2 new frames will look like that we're putting in today. Frame 5 and frame 6 will be getting replaced in 3 weeks time, and then that will be all the brood frames replaced. I also replaced this super frame because it was quite dirty, and so I put a new clean one in, and then we've put the 2 old ones in the top, and then look, this is how dirty it was. So I'm going to give this one a clean and put it back in the hive when it's clean. So to get all the bees off, I just gave them a good shake, and then this one actually still had a few male brood on here. I'll come back in 3 weeks and go again.